Mastering the balance. Informal idioms versus academic tone. Hello, language learners. Today we're diving into an exciting topic in the world of English language: idiomatic expressions. Idioms are a fascinating part of any language, adding color and expressiveness to our communication. However, when it comes to academic and professional writing, some idioms can sound too casual or overused. So, the main focus today is on identifying informal idioms in your writing and steering clear of them to maintain a formal, professional tone. Before we identify informal idioms, let's first grasp what idioms are. Idioms are fixed phrases or expressions whose meaning isn't clear from the literal interpretation of the words. For example, broke the ice doesn't mean physically breaking ice, but initiating a conversation or easing the tension. Idioms are cultural, varying across different languages and regions, which can make them both fascinating and challenging to learn. Idioms aren't inherently good or bad, but they do have varying levels of formality. Some idioms are acceptable in academic writing, while others are considered too casual or informal. For example, the idiom, in a nutshell, is often used in academic texts to mean, in summary, or, in short. On the other hand, a phrase like, bite the bullet, is seen as too informal for serious academic writing, despite its meaning of facing a difficult or unpleasant situation. Now, how can we spot these overused or informal idioms? It can be tricky, but a helpful tip is to think about whether the phrase adds specific value to your argument or if it's a vague, generalized statement. Idioms like, at the end of the day, or, in the long run, are often overused and don't provide precise information, which is key in academic writing. Once we identify these informal or overused idioms, what do we do? The best approach is to replace them with more formal language. For instance, instead of saying, bite the bullet, you might write, face the situation, or, accept the reality. Instead of, in the long run, consider using, over time, or, in the long term. In summary, while idioms can add flavor to our everyday conversations, academic and professional writing requires a more formal tone. By learning to identify and avoid informal or overused idioms, you can elevate the quality of your writing. We hope this video has been helpful in improving your understanding of idiomatic expressions in academic contexts. Keep practicing, and remember, mastering a language is a journey. Happy learning!